Hi YouTube, this is another one from the GR 1600 Kubota, and what I want to show you today is the spinning knob that I've attached to the steering wheel. And I placed that approximately 5 o'clock on the steering wheel, which I find works really well for me. I usually use my left hand, but alternately you can move it around to suit yourself, but this seems to be the best way for me. I'll just show you how it works. It's quite simple really. You just screw it both sides. You probably get one of these in your local hardware store, something like that. Okay, so we'll start her up.